Get ready for the experience of a lifetime as you climb aboard the Nevada Northern Railway. This 56-acre complex features fully operational locomotives, which began their service in the early 1900s. The whole family will enjoy a historic ride aboard the century-old steam engine as they tour northern Nevada's landmark mining country.
Our trains leave on Saturdays at 11 o'clock in the morning. The train ride lasts about an hour and 45 minutes. At the end of the train ride, you have the option of taking a tour through the engine house and the shops.
Tickets, please. Thank you. There you go. Thank you.
The Nevada Northern Railway is a living American treasure, featuring historic tracks, original office depots and engine houses, 3 original steam locomotives, 60 freight cars, and a working machine shop. Kids ride free on regularly scheduled excursion rides, or have a thrilling ride in the month of October aboard the haunted Ghost Train. And during the Christmas season, Santa climbs aboard the Polar Express for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Nevada Northern Railway, where memories and history are created daily.